Picture this, you're watching some funny cat videos on the internet when suddenly the connection is gone. I know, horrible. You start blaming the internet provider, the internet connection, the satellite, and the list goes on. But have you thought about taking into account our nearby star? In the past, the sun has been responsible for many things. It's been responsible for the obstruction of communication signals, damage to the power grids, creation of the aurora borealis, aka the northern lights, and many more. It's done this with the help of the solar flares and CMEs, aka coronal mass ejection. Solar flares are basically just explosions that sends out particles into space that move quickly towards Earth, while CMEs are basically just slow-moving particles of huge many groups of slow-moving particles that basically just slowly move towards Earth. These two phenomena occur from the sun's magnetic field, which consists of different loops and shapes. This magnetic field can actually interact with the plasma on the sun's surface to create the loops and shapes you would see through your telescopes. However, for the creation of these loops and shapes, the sun's magnetic field has to use a process called magnetic reconnection. During the process, the magnetic field actually creates these tangled loops. But in order to do so, it needs to use its own energy to create a huge explosion of heat energy. This in turn creates the solar flares and CMEs. When solar flares and CMEs come to Earth, there can be several different effects. Solar flares can hinder communication signals. This can be problematic for people in desperate need of help. In addition, solar flares can even disrupt the magnetosphere, which is basically the Earth's magnetic field. CMEs, on the other hand, have much more power. They can not only cause problems to the communication signals and to the magnetosphere, but they can also contribute to the creation of the northern lights. For the northern lights to occur, the CMEs actually energize particles in the sky to send out photons of light that actually create the glowing light image. In addition, CMEs can actually cause power failures to many power grids and can even lose connection to our satellites that are orbiting the Earth. This can be very dangerous because it can take away our needs like electricity. Even though these phenomena occur, the most destructive CMEs and solar flares don't actually occur commonly. Maybe in the future we can actually have equipment that can actually shield us from the effects of CMEs and solar flares. However, for now, we're just gonna have to rely on the Earth's magnetic field in order to shield us away from those effects. So that means that even you can keep watching your favorite funny videos. Thanks for watching.